Hi, beauties! So, a gentle cleanser is a must for anybody who loves and wears makeup as much as I do. I just picked up Oak Essentials Cleansing Balm from Free Gift Friday, and this gentle cleanser will take off all of my makeup without stripping my skin. The cleansing balm is formulated with hydrating ingredients like avocado oil and juniper oil to help dissolve makeup and environmental pollutants. It also has replenishing protective lipids that reinforce the skin's moisture barrier, leaving skin feeling soft and hydrated. To use this, I warm a dime-sized amount in my hands until it melts into an oil. I gently massage this into my skin and remove with a warm washcloth. There is no feeling of residue, but a layer of antioxidant-rich moisture will remain on the skin, leaving it soft and supported. So if you're looking for a cleanser that removes makeup effortlessly and won't irritate your skin, you're going to love this. When you try this product out, make sure to share your experience on social and tag @NewBeauty. And of course, thanks for being part of the BeautyPass community.